Hello again. My name is Bella, and we are back at the Made for Arcade Service Center. Today I want to take you for a quick tour along our most popular claw machines. The best-selling claw machines at Made for Arcade are the steampunk design and the ball balloon design skill cranes. These plug-and-play machines are in popular demand and are sold or rented out to event companies, wedding coordinators, hotels and private parties alike. All Made for Arcade skill crane machines come standard with 2 coin comparators. These can be trained to any type of currency or game tokens. Naturally, these machines can also be set to free play mode. In order to adjust the settings on our claw machines, you can simply open the control box and push the hidden menu button inside. This will open up an extensive menu where you can set and adjust anything from speed to clamping force, to probability of winning prizes, and so much more. The operator menu is easily accessible through the LCD display and the joystick on the control box. Here you can change music and volume, check price ratios, adjust rope length, speeds, wobble, sensors, and everything else you need to program the machine exactly to your specifications. Under the control box, we can find the coin collection box. All the machine's winnings will end up down here. Next to the control box is a convenient locked storage compartment for your spare prizes, lunch, or other goodies you may want to hide and lock away. Each machine is fitted with 2 ultra-bright interior light arrays, so your prizes are well lit, and the backboard mirror gets its maximum effect. On the front corners of the machine, we find 2 color-changing illumination columns that attract people from far away. These columns gently, and almost imperceptibly, change colors. The jitters you may see here on screen are only due to camera recordings. The quality of these claw machines can be seen in many more areas. Like for instance in the translucent decals and the unique design work, or the sturdy caster wheels underneath the machine, or maybe the digital price detectors, or metal framework and craftsmanship that go into building these unique machines. To be honest, you need to see these claw machines in real life to appreciate the fun and magic they add to the room. So why not go ahead and order yours now at madeforarcade.com. I am Bella, signing off for now, hoping to see you again real soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.